Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your iPhone 13, but before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have a Ringke Onyx case for review for the iPhone 13. You want to protect your beautiful investment, and Ringke makes some great cases for the iPhone. They make great cases for a lot of different phones. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Look at that packaging. Live a better day. They make it pretty easy to open by just pulling this apart, and then you can seal it up too if you want to keep your case in the same package that it came in. In this video, we'll make sure everything fits well. How does everything line up? Can your wireless charge? Does it add bulk to your phone? And how the overall look of the case too. But let's get into it. Like I said earlier, just pull this at the bottom. That way you can always reuse the bag and just keep your cases all together. You get the same little brochures in most of their cases now. This is the Onyx case. Look at that. It has some grip on the back. Also, the volume rockers are a different color. So is the power button. You do have some branding there, Ringke Onyx. This gives you the extra grip. Let's see how this thing fits. Nice and snug around the whole phone. Look at that. You do get some lip action, so you can lay it down on the table without worrying about scratching up that beautiful display. Same thing with the camera hump. You do get some. Everything at the bottom lines up. If my camera will focus. There's nothing at the top. The slide out, or the slider, has a lot of room, even with somebody without fingernails. The overall fit of the case, let's see. It fits at the top and bottom pretty well. Again, the sides are a little loose, but nothing too bad. Let's see if I can unlock this phone. All right, so the power button is easy to press and easy to get to. The volume rockers are easy, as you can tell there. I like that power button being a different color. It gives you that drop protection with the corner, and then also this gives you that protection too. Now, I forgot to do this in the previous video, but does it rock on the table? No rocking on the table. So, I don't know, somebody had mentioned that on one of my videos that we don't do that enough. And I love the grip that you get from this case too, especially on the sides and the back. Gives you an extra grip. It doesn't add much bulk to your phone either, so it doesn't make it like really bulky. So this is definitely a nice case too. Bam, this is the Onyx case. Let's see if you can wireless charge or not. All right, so here is the charger. Yes, you can wireless charge. I didn't think again it would be a problem. Most cases these days you can actually wireless charge with it. Again, this is the Onyx case. I will have the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the iPhone 13. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter, become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.